Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to add bank accounts and payment modes in the inventory software. As we log in the company, we can see the dashboard. To add bank accounts, we can use the quick access panel on the left hand side of the window. Here we have to click on the accounting option and then we get the following options. Here we have to click on New Bank Account option and create new ledger dialog box opens with the ledger group selected as bank accounts by default. Here we can add details of the bank account. For example, the name of the bank account, secondary bank account. We will then select the country and state. From the drop-down menu, we can also feed other information such as opening balance, GSTIN, Aadhaar information, address and contact information here. We will then feed the bank details and description using the tabs that we can see here. For filling the bank details, we need to click on Bank Details and then fill up the details. For example, account number 1000002 ICICI Bank, Shivaji Nagar, Pune, IFSC ICIC 00000039. After filling the details, we need to click on the Apply button and the new bank account will be added. Apply is used when you want to create more bank accounts. Using the OK button, it will create the ledger and will close the dialog box. Similarly, we can add a new asset account by clicking on the New Asset account and New Expense account by clicking on the New Expenses account. We can view the bank account added by clicking on Master tab in the menu bar and selecting Ledger option from the drop-down menu. Then the ledgers appear. As we can see, the bank account is added. The details can be seen under respective columns here. Hence, we saw how to add a bank account. Now we will see how to add a payment mode. A payment mode is the mechanism by which we receive the payment during sale, example, by cash, credit card or UPI. To add a payment mode, click on Master tab in the menu bar and select the payment mode option from the drop-down menu. Here we get to payment modes by default that are cash and Paytm. Now we will add another payment method. To do so, we have to click on the new option given here. After this, create new payment mode dialog box appears asking for name, ledger, type and description. Here we will add Google Pay, so in the place of name we will feed GPay. We will then click on the ledger field and type new, double-click on new ledger or press enter. After this, create new ledger dialog box appears. We will then create a ledger by the name of GPay and select the ledger group as bank accounts. We can feed other details also, just as we create a ledger. After this, we need to click on the OK button and the ledger is added in the ledger field. After this, we need to select the type of payment mode from the drop-down list. For example, here, we will select mobile money. We can then fill a description if required, and then we will click on the OK button. Apply button is used if we want to add another payment mode, as it will create the payment mode and clear all fields for adding another payment mode. But since we don't want to add another payment mode now, we will click on OK button. And as we can see, the new payment mode is added. Now you can use this payment mode during sale. You can see all the payment modes are listed here. Thank you.